doing Anthony, the dude likes to try to comment, share. So I tried to go different. I tried to do the whole AI generated content to make videos go viral and all that stuff, but yeah, after fiddling around with it for like 30 minutes, it was just taking forever. And there's even a little warning, like, the information has to be factual. It's your responsibility to pay attention to the final video. So I'm not gonna generate something that I don't know is telling what I want to say. Because like I said, a home-based networking business, I've said this multiple times, is the greatest gift you can give somebody. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, if you want more out of life, if you're just sick of just getting by in life, start building a home-based networking business. It gives you the opportunity to get more out of life while enjoying life. Said, I can't tell you it's going to happen overnight. I can't tell you it's going to happen in 6 months and take the lay the foundation. I can't tell you anything. Because you're going to run into a lot of roadblocks. You're going to run into a lot of people that just care about the money and they want to get rich quick scheme. And sometimes you don't get the support of your upline. Like, I just messaged my my upline from my online one, the shopping club. Oh, yeah, man, I know you make buckets of money with the shopping club every month, which is awesome. Congratulations. I talked to them the other day. I connected with them. I'm like, all right. So, would you be willing to support one of your customers that makes you money by becoming a customer there on a financial protection plan? No thanks. And then want to turn around. It's not about the money on accounts memorable. They got to use them. Like, there is nothing in network marketing that says you cannot utilize the products or services of a competing company. Nothing. You shouldn't be, like I told him the other day, yeah, you should be, your business should be one. You can have as many network marketing companies, be involved with as many networking companies as you want to. You should focus on one for your business aspect. That's like I told him, like, I'm a happy customer. I love the products. But it's not my business. My home-based business pays weekly commissions plus monthly residuals, and I've been doing it I've been a member of it for going on 9 years. I'm like, but he didn't want to support me. Trying to use excuses, it's not about the money, he's a counselor. I'm like, okay, it sounds like it's about the money because I'm supporting you because you're getting paid by me shopping every month for the products, which I enjoy the products, so no big deal there. I'm like, but you can't simply support one of your paying customers, which is making you money. That's my big deal. Like, I'm going to be a customer of somebody that's a customer of mine. If I'm making you money, I expect you to be helping me with generating some revenue for myself. That's fair. The law of reciprocity. Like, I did something for you, you should do something for me. Like, fair is fair. I mean, I don't understand that, but like I said, when it comes to networking, you should have one main home-based networking business. You can be a member and utilize the products and services of as many other companies as you want to. Because let's face it, most networking companies got far superior quality products or services than what you're going to find off the market. Why? Because they're not spending all that money on advertisements. They're marketed by word of mouth marketing. So you're getting superior quality. So why wouldn't you support the industry and use other networking companies' products? Like I said, most people become customers of other companies because they want the wholesale price. They want the discounted price. Because most of the products or services you can buy not being a customer, you're going to pay retail. To get the discount and the extra premiums of it, you become a customer. I don't know, it makes sense to me. But like I said, if someone is not willing to support you, but you're supporting them, you should reevaluate that relationship. That's it. Let me know in the comments if you agree with that statement, that if you're going to support someone else, they should be willing to support you. And hey, I don't know. I just ordered some meat from the meat delivery that just started this year. So it'll be here right before I head out to Virginia with my mom, but so I don't know. Depending on how the meat is, I might cancel the online one to shopping club, or I don't know. Like I said, I have a problem with supporting people that aren't willing to support me, especially whenever they're making millions of dollars a month. That's the problem. But whatever, y'all. Have a great day. I'm at the beach. Be great.